Hi, it's me again, Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on fit objects to path that's only available in X18 and above. But I started thinking, what if you had multiple objects? I've got a large leaf, a medium leaf, and a small leaf. I'm going to select all the leaves. I'm going to shift, select the path. I've got my object origin there. I don't have any rotation. I've got 12 copies, which really doesn't make sense because it's 12 times 3 would be 36. It's not going to do 36, but it works. And if you wanted to make a more natural looking vine, leaves, let's Control D and make a duplicate of that. Mirror it over just like before. And there's another way. Earlier I made a video about how to increase the slant of the angle. Well, now it's adding more objects. And just like in the previous video, you could still change these. My nudge factor is set real low. You could select the two smaller leaves. And if you think they need to be down, I'm going to hold down the shift key and it's going to go a little faster on my nudge. But you could play around with that. You could angle them, put your rotation there, and you could angle them a little bit. Do whatever you wanted to after the fact. I think that looks pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.